Ever wondered how to plan and plant your own cottage garden? These gardens, with their unique charm and tranquility, are less complicated to create than you might think. By following a few simple steps, you can create your very own cottage garden. Planning is the first step to creating your dream cottage garden. A well-thought-out plan takes into account the garden's size, location, soil type, and sunlight exposure. These factors are crucial in determining the right plants for your garden. Remember, the key is to choose plants that not only thrive in your garden's conditions, but also complement each other in terms of aesthetics. This will ensure a harmonious blend of colors, textures, and shapes. With a little thought and preparation, your garden plan will serve as a useful guide throughout the planting process. After planning, it's time to bring your vision to life through planting. The first step is to prepare the soil. A nourishing environment is key to a thriving garden, so enrich your soil with compost or organic matter. Now let's talk about planting. Trees and shrubs are backbone elements, so plant them first. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball, place the plant, and cover it with soil. Next, plant perennials and annuals. These add color and texture. Make sure to provide ample space for growth. Remember, the early stages are crucial. Consistent watering and care are paramount. Over time, your efforts will pay off. With patience and care, you'll see your garden take shape and bloom over time. Creating a cottage garden is a rewarding journey that brings beauty to your outdoor space. With thoughtful planning, you've selected the perfect mix of plants that reflect your personal style. Then, you've put in the work, planting each seedling with care. As your garden bursts into life, the joy and satisfaction are immeasurable. There's nothing quite like seeing your vision come to life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.